If you want to change the language in Firefox, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch the browser language in just a few clicks, so Firefox displays in the language you prefer. This is useful if your browser opened in the wrong language, if you move to a new region, or if you simply want a more comfortable browsing experience. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access all of the browser's important settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Firefox settings page, where you can customize everything from privacy to appearance to language options. Now, on the settings page, make sure you are in the General panel. If you're not already there, just scroll through the settings until you find the General section. In this area, keep scrolling until you reach the Language section. This is where Firefox lets you control the display language for the browser interface. Under Language, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that menu and select your preferred display language from the list. If your language does not appear right away, Firefox may need the language pack installed, or may only show the available options based on your system. After choosing your preferred language, the next step is very important. Restart the browser to apply the change. Firefox usually needs to restart before the new language fully takes effect, so close it completely and open it again. Once it reopens, the browser should now display in the language you selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Firefox browser language. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step browser guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.